Hello, this is just a short video how to make the featured image to use on your WordPress websites. Now imagine this is your blog page. Now this image at the top, that's usually the featured image. So if you click on here and then when it opens, this is the individual blog post. The one at the top here is the featured image. And so you add it onto the blog post, and then when you have your page full of posts, it shows at the top like this. So there, these are all the featured image on my blog post. Now your layout might look slightly different, but this is essentially what it is. So to create the featured image on for your blog posts, if you're using Canva, you can use the free account to do that. So go to canva.com. And if you haven't got an account, just sign up with your email address, make the free account. If you want to log in with Google or Facebook, you can. Create the free account and then log in. Now you've got lots of options here, but I'll just go straight to the size that you need. So for blog posts, I'm currently using 128 pixels wide by 720 pixels. So I'm going to create a design. I'm going to choose custom dimensions, and this is where I will put the size 1280 by 720. Now by using this size, it'll sort of fit on, not sort of, it will fit on most platforms that you're using. So your blog post, if you're posting onto YouTube and your other social media channels, you might want to put the text in the middle just in case it gets cropped off, because it's not the perfect size for all the different platforms, but it's a decent compromise. If you click on create design, okay, so here we have the design. So this is the featured image. We don't have anything there at the minute, so choose on photos. If you want to upload your photo, you can. If you just want to choose one that's here for free, you can just choose that as well. You can see the option. This is a paid account, but you can see it'll say the same pro, it'll say free there. So you can choose the free ones. So if I choose, let's choose, okay, let's choose. Okay, let's have some yellow diggers. Okay, so there's the image. It hasn't completely filled the whole size, so there's lots of options, but you can drag the corners and then reposition it so you don't get sort of a squashed image. There are other ways of doing the same thing, as there often is with technical things. Okay, so that'll do for that image. If you just want to leave it like that, that's completely fine. If you want to put some text over it, like an overlay, I've got another blog post about that, but I'll just show you quickly here while we're doing it. So we need some elements, and we want a shape, so we'll use this one. Then I'm just going to resize it. You might not want this, but if you do, I'm just showing you again how to do it. Then you click it, see it's brown. This is where you change the colors. Click on that. Okay, let's have the yellow to suit. Now you can either leave it solid, or if you want to make it a bit transparent, you can change it there like that. And then let's do, I'm going to make this is going to be the featured image for this post, and then click on text, and we'll add a heading, and we'll change it here to featured image for WordPress. If we want to change the color, So I'm double clicking on there and it'll select that. We'll select that, or you can just go like this, or you can do Control A and collect it. Now this is where you change the color of the text. So choose a contrasting one. If I choose white, let's have a look. Yes, so that's readable. Now you can see if I take the yellow banner, can you see those cross hatches? Sort of that will tell you it's in the middle, the center of this image. And if I take the text as well, let's get that in the middle. Right, there you are. That is in the middle. Okay, so that's all we need for this one. But actually this is going to go on my website, so I don't actually want yellow because I don't use yellow. So let's change it. Red will go on my site. Okay, so that's the featured image. It's 1,280 pixels wide by 720. And then we just need to, we can download it this way. And I normally, it depends what you like. If you can use this for websites, the JPEG, which is smaller. See, there's the size confirmed for you. So this is the size. Quality, it's going to be quite large. This is the dimensions, but this is the file size. And for internet, we don't need such big file size. Then if I click download, and then we wait for that to happen. Now by default, it will probably go to your downloads folder, featured image for WordPress. I've actually got a folder for blogs, so let's go there. I'll make a folder for this blog, featured image for WordPress. Where have you gone? Up here. Okay, and there's the image, and click on save. Okay, so it's saved where I want it to be. Now you can continue editing or go to your home page, it's up to you. And that's really all that we need to do in Canva. Now, just as an added measure, if let's have a look at the size, showing the folder. Okay, it's 73.6 KB, so that is fine for the website. Okay, so that's all you need to do to create the image. Now, if you wanted to use a different image, if you wanted to change it, let's say you want to use this again, you literally just go and find the photograph that you want to use and change it here. So let's put forest. Okay, that's a nice one. We'll get rid of the builders. And again, I'm just going to show you this again. Okay. Right, now what you might want to do is, if you want to change the color, you change it there, but it's fine. So that's how if you want to change the image, and let's say you're doing another blog post, you just change the text like you did before and change the name. So that's all you have to do about the featured image.